Alright, let's film it. You eat that little grub? Here, let me see.
Get all close.
Let me get up close to the grub that he's about to eat.
I'm gonna do this shit.
I can be on Fear Factor.
You guys ready? You guys ready for this?
Okay, where's the money? Where's the money?
Hey, where's your camera at? You wanna get this?
Money.
I got 21.50 on it.
Eat it.
Are you really?
You guys ready?
Alright, let's go.
You gotta chew it though, John. No bullshit.
You gotta chew it.
You have to show us that shit.
Alright, ready?
Go. No, you can't chase it.
Got it. Hey, you have to show us after it's all chewed up.
Ready? You guys ready?
Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh shit.
Fucking pirate John.
Give my money.
Yes.
Yeah. Like that, huh?
41 bucks.
That shit tastes nasty. Can't believe I just did that.
Hey, I'm getting stranded with your ass.
Chase it again. There you go.
Look at your face, dude.
It's fucking sick.
Yeah, dude, I heard that.
You're the fuck, dude. You should be in a fucking exterminator, dude.
I hope that show wasn't poisonous.
You'll live. You'll wash it off the whole beer.
I'm not in a Mortal